Welcome to Catalyst Data Solutions, where technology meets reliability. We are your trusted partner for enterprise IT solutions, ensuring your business runs smarter, faster, and stronger. If you're looking to upgrade your infrastructure, you've come to the right place. We simplify sourcing from leading OEMs like Arista, Cisco, HPE, Juniper, and many more at the best price with quick and easy shipping. Now, when it's time to retire your old equipment, our ITAD and Asset Recovery services have you covered with secure data erasing, recycling, and resale, turning your retired IT assets into recoverable value. Long-term reliability is key for any IT infrastructure, so we provide flexible SLAs, 24/7 support, and comprehensive parts coverage across servers, storage, and networking hardware to empower your business. Lastly, if you prefer high-quality gear at a lower cost, shop our certified refurbished gears. With access to more than 90,000 in-stock products, ready to ship, all tested, reliable, and backed by Catalyst warranty. Since 2017, our goal has been to make technology simple, sustainable, and strategic for your business. Explore all our services and get in touch with us today at sales@catalystdatasolutionsinc.com. Let's build your next solution together.